welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be making for you all some Chorai Bhagi. Now this is what it looks like. Some of you may call it callaloo. It's a very bitter callaloo bush or bhaji or spinach. So I personally am not a fan of it, but I wanted to do this recipe for all of you guys who like this type of bhaji. So here I have a really beautiful bundle of bhaji, and the first thing we'll need to do is clean it and prepare it. So to clean the bhaji, I'm going to remove this rubber band that's holding the bundle together. So sometimes you would find flowers on the bhaji, and this is what the flowers would look like. You're not going to be using the flowers. Just pick the leaves off and discard everything else. Once you've gotten all the leaves off of that hard stem, you're going to wash this really well a couple of times under your tap. So I'm going to do that and then we'll move on. So to make the bhaji, you're going to start with a pot on medium heat. To that pot, you're going to add in some oil. To the hot oil, you're going to add in some chopped onions, and I like using a lot of onions for this. We're just going to allow this to saute until it's translucent. Now that the onion has started to turn translucent, I'm going in with some chopped or minced garlic and a few pieces of hot pepper. Now this Chorai Bhagi needs a lot of help with flavor, hence the reason why I like putting a lot of garlic and a lot of onion. If you had pimento pepper and you wanted to put a couple of those in this, you can. So I'm going to saute this until the garlic and the onion starts to turn a light brown color. So now that the onion and garlic have started to brown, I'm going to go in with some chopped tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this, just to help break down the tomato. You don't want to add too much, because that spinach or callaloo bush is going to wilt, and we're going to be getting like a quarter of the amount that we have right now. So I'm just going to allow the tomatoes to break down, and then we'll add in the spinach. Okay, now we're going to go in with that spinach or Chorai Bhagi, and if you wanted to chop up this, you can. I'm just going in with the leaves as I pick them off the stem. This is going to wilt down and you're not going to really see it. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt. Just a little. We'll adjust it in the end and mix. Next, you want to drop your heat to medium-low. Cover this and allow that bhaji or callaloo to steam and soften. It's going to wilt and get really soft, and we're actually going to be seeing half of this amount that we have in here. So this may take about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll want to go in ever so often and turn it and make sure it's not sticking or burning. So guys, make sure when you're turning the spinach, when you lift the cover up, you let that steam from that cover fall back into the pot. That's what's going to help your spinach cook. Okay, so this is almost done. You see how that has wilted down? It probably needs about 5 minutes again, and then it will be ready. And I just want to give you guys a quick tip. If you wanted to boil some saltfish and add it to this while it was cooking, that would be a really great idea. But I'm going to be keeping this vegetarian, hence the reason why there's no saltfish in it. Okay guys, this is finished. What you want to do now is taste and adjust your salt accordingly. If you were putting saltfish in this, I suggest don't put any saltfish until the entire dish is finished cooked. All you have to do is taste it, adjust the salt, and then this is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy vegetarian dish for this callaloo bush. This is best served with sada roti or dalang rice. It goes really well if you have some amchar mango, which you can find on my channel. I do have a recipe for that. It's a dried amchar mango. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!